Freestyle, baby. This off the dome. G Mercy the Grinch in this bitch. What's up? It's Texas. Check it. It's some hoes in the club showing love, shaking all that ass for a nigga for a thug. And she sliding down the pole with her butt, booty real juicy, make a player wanna fuck. It's some hoes in the club showing love, shaking all that ass for a nigga for a dub. And she sliding down the pole with her butt, booty real juicy, make a player wanna fuck. These hoes looking good when you come down to Texas. I'm a harsh young bitch, let me go on and see what's up. Like the way you move your body and the way your ass flex. Hell yeah, I'm going hard, I'm about to cash your check. You ain't gotta say much, you just show me what you work. Let me see you move your body while you taking off your shirt. Let me see you take a shower, then let me hit that hole. Hell yeah, I'm talking about that ass and gonna make it roll. I can make you ski, baby, I can go and make you come. You can come in my mouth and I can make that pussy run with your legs shaded forward, cause you about to feel the storm. This the overdraft, bitch, and the storm coming past. Hell yeah, it's gonna pass, but you better not pass gas. I'm the nigga that'll beat that pussy and step on the gas like a car when the wheels moving, traveling real fast. I got that motion with them handles, girl, I gotta last. There's some hoes in the club showing love, shaking all that ass for a nigga for a dub. And she sliding down the pole with her butt, booty real juicy, make a player wanna fuck. Ayy, there's some hoes in the club showing love, shaking all that ass for a nigga for a dub. And she sliding down the pole with her butt, booty real juicy, make a player wanna. Girl, you looking real good while you showing fuck faces, girl. I'm looking like, damn, this girl in the place. Hell yeah, she going hard and she took off her lace bra and lace drawers, and then I seen her face. Yeah, her pussy real fat and it's skating back on me. Why you want to spit on me? So I'ma spit back, bitch. Hell yeah, I'm like a horse. Woo, on that shit. I ain't playing with you, bitch. I'm going hard on the track, wrecking hard for my hood. Hell yeah, I'm out there Texas. Third Coast banging, going hard when I'm flexing. Hit that funky town and I might buy your ass a necklace. First class on planes, hell yeah, I'm just a Texan. Ride me like a horse cause I'm tall like a tower. And I beat your booty hole for about a half a damn hour. You ain't never seen my kind, girl, I like it from your back. Your back looking good, let me visualize that. There's some hoes in the club showing love, shaking all that ass for a nigga for a dub. And she slide down that pole with her butt, booty real juicy, make a player wanna fuck. Ayy, some hoes in the club showing love, shaking all that ass for a nigga for a dub. And she wanna fuck, booty real juicy, make a player wanna fuck. Ayy, I ain't gotta say it, I just like hoes. Them hoes looking good, that's why they getting chose. If you take a bath and you wash your face and you keep your pussy clean, nigga, in your place, yeah, I like that. And if you got some cash, you rolling 24s or 22s to spend fast, and your candy paint with pink insides and pink stomachs. Hey baby girl, can I ride? I seen you on YouTube doing your thing, and I was like, damn, me and my ding-a-ling was talking conversations. I was like, what's up, dick? Do you ready for her? Go and get her, give her what you wanna show her. I'm just fucking around, man. I'm just high capping and shit. There's a lot of these hoes out here I wanna fuck. What's up, Pinky? Bet you can't bounce like that on this horse dick. This shit real right here. You get some of this meat, goddamn me. Telling you. It's real shit, man. Get at a nigga.
Open mind.